In this video we'll cover how to install Numpy in VS Code and troubleshoot common issues if it's not working. Let's get started. To install Numpy in VS Code, launch Visual Studio Code on your computer. Open the integrated terminal in VS Code by going to View and then Terminal. It's a good practice to create a virtual environment to manage your project dependencies separately. You can do this by running python /m env and then activating it. This is however optional. Run the command pip install numpy in the terminal to install Numpy. If Numpy is not working after installation, try the following troubleshooting steps. First, ensure that the Python interpreter in VS Code is correctly set to the one where Numpy is installed. You can change the interpreter by clicking on the Python version in the status bar. Sometimes, simply reloading the VS Code window can resolve path issues. Go to View and then Command Palette. Type Reload Window and select it. Lastly, look for any error messages in the Terminal or Problems tab and address them accordingly. Common issues include missing dependencies or environment activation problems. Following these steps should help you install and use Numpy in VS Code without any issues. Happy coding! Thanks for tuning in. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.